I feel a sneeze coming on. It's the sun. She makes me sneeze. Does that make you sneeze? Like when you look at a bright light? It makes you sneeze. That's genetic. Yeah, I've got the sneezing gene. I'm not sure how that works, but I don't know how the bright light stimulates the optic nerve, and I don't know why that triggers a sneeze. Or in my case, sneezes. I get teased a lot about how I sneeze, the sound of like how I sneeze and how many times I sneeze. There was one time that I sneezed 19 in a row, just nonstop, choot, 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 19 times. And I was tired. I was tired after I was done. I was like, oh, I need a nap.